Yo, 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 yo. My name is Starboy, the Ship, Mr. Recorder, Mr. Meat, Mr. Kimararungu, Love in Town, Ubeshi, the Lion in the Jungle, King of Ladies, Mr. Sharpman, Mr. I don't care, all the way from Star TV, all the way from Burundi, East Africa, Africa, that's no kwisi yose. I love support everybody in our country. I love you too if you love me. If you don't, I don't care for that. Now turi kuri kukibuga c'indege gikuru na cyane cyane hano mu gihugu cy'u Burundi. Murabizi ko mu Burundi hari amahoro, hari umutekano, buri muntu wese yifuza kuza mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Burundi. For the first time World Beach igiye kuduha umunezero udasanzwe. World Beach igiye gukoranya abana beza mu gisagara cya Bujumbura. Simvuze ngo ari abana babi. Uburundi bwose dufise abana beza cyane. Bisigura ko Uburundi bwose zuba duteramiye kuri World Beach ku munsi wejo cyane. Ni Tanganyika Summer Fest première edition igiye gutunganywa, igiye kuba ku munsi wejo. Rero nibaza yuko utobura ku munsi wa mbere cyane kuri edition ya mbere, kubera ko bizogufata ko ni wagera kuri edition ya kane cyangwa ya gatanu uzogenda uravuga ati ya mbere yagenze guca, ya kabiri yagenze guca, ya gatatu yagenze guca, ya kane yagenze guca. Rero kuri Star TV murabizi ko tubazanira amakuru yize wameze neza cyane, ariko kandi turi kumwe no bita Nova. Are Nova muramuzi, numwe mu bantu nkunze kwita ba master plan. Aba master plan bamaze gukora byinshi bitandukanye na cyane muri no industry ya kabiri gatanu indwi. Turi kumwe, bisigura ko rero biza kuba bitunganije neza, biza kuba bimeze neza cyane. Turi ngaha entreta tuje gutegera aba DJs babiri bavuye muri South Africa ya kwa Shampuru Makenzo. Bazo vibing indirimbo kirisese kuko ni indirimbo yo muririmbyi Sadbi ari kumwe n'umu type kuva muri South Africa ariwe Shampuru Makenzo. Bisigura ko nta murundi akwiye gusiba aho hano. Aba DJs babiri bavuye muri South Africa tuje kubategera hano. Murabizi no musiza kubaza ibibazo mu Congereza. Muramuvuga ngo nta Congereza nzi, muze kunyumviriza ibibazo byo wanje. Abantu murapapagiza ngo nta Congereza tuzi, ubundi barize baduhamagara hano nuko tukizi. So aba DJs babiri bavuye muri South Africa, ariko kandi haza kuba harimwo n'aba DJs 8 bavuye hano mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Burundi. Iyo ni surprise muza kubona muri press conference iza kuba after this turaziza kuja muri conference de presse kuri World Beach. Je ngiye kuri World Beach ndanezerwa cyane kubera ko nahantu iyo ndiko ndakora ibikorwa byabo, after gukora igikorwa cyafungura nkanywa nkamererwa neza, natwega basiri bateca dushika mu rugo turyama, ibintu bikaba birangiye kandi bimeze neza cyane. Nayo mpamvu nkunda Arenova ampamagaye nugo mba njyamye ndirukanga kugira dushobore gukorana. So rero nibaza ko no kubwira ati get ready. Iyi ni vibe udategerezwa gushiba nk'umwana w'Ibujumbura cyangwa nk'umwana w'umurundi, kubera ko twebwe abarundi twese turi beza. Ni bimwe namye mvuga, hari impamvu turi beza. So rero kwigana Star TV vibe yose za kuyikora hano, ukuntu baza kuza, ukuntu tuza kubakira muri press conference, byose turaza kubibereka, kandi nejo tuzoba turi kumwe kugira tubandanye kubaho umunezero. Suko none kora sabone rero kugira ntuze gutangwa kubona bino birori cyane kuzobona bino birori first edition Tanganyika Summer ku nshuro ya mbere igiye kuba hano mu gihugu cy'u Burundi. Thank you so much. Gende rero musanga bagara musanga Photo. Welcome. Well, when I do a short interview, you can introduce yourself and you can explain your joy, your joyful to be in Bujumbura and what you expect to do this weekend.
Hello Bujumbura, it's your boys tech team. We're rocking World Beach tomorrow. Wow man, it's my second time here. It's nice, you know. Yeah, we are here.
Yeah. Let's eat it. Let's eat it, my boss. Yeah, let's kill it. We are here. It's going down.
How was your day? It was long. Wow. Yeah, it was long. It was nice, but it was long.
What do you expect to do after
just to rest.
So me crossing because
Just to rest.
Nothing much, nothing less.
Okay, my name is Starboy, the Ship from Star TV 257. Yes. How do you know here in Burundi, the specialty?
How do you know here?
Yeah.
The treatment and everything?
Here in Burundi, information about Burundi.
Yeah,
On the DJs.
it's our second time here.
Mm.
This time was nice. I'm hoping even this time it's gonna be nice. You know, Burundi people are welcoming. It's nice.
Mm.
Yeah.
Do you know Shampuru Makenzo?
No.
No, we don't know.
South is a big country. It can be understood. So, what are you ready to give at the show for Burundian Burundian people?
Nothing but fire.
Fire, fire.
You're gonna kill on it.
Fire.
How
do you feel to be here the first time? How do you feel to be here the first time? I think it's the first time,
I
yes.
feel nice and motivated because it's our second time. It's the first time on board.
It's the second. Oh yes. Okay.
What do you like in Burundi? As if you feel Burundi, if you see some people talk about Burundi,
The people here go crazy over music. Whenever you perform, whenever you give your performance, you enjoy because they also give you the energy.
now South Africa is known as a country of which is the leader of Amapiano.
Yeah.
What kind of a music are you are ready to play tomorrow in Tanganyika Summer Fair?
It's a piano, it's 3-step. Now there's a genre called 3-step. You know, in South Africa, we set the trends, you know. Now there's 3-step. You're gonna hear it. Yeah.
That's a last word, not to conclude. 1 second for everybody. A last word, a short last word to conclude.
Oh, everyone.
Take the microphone.
Tech team is here. Please come through tomorrow. Well, beach. Let's rock together. Let's have fun. Let's make new memories together. Come on, come on. Come see the fire.
Fire. Good.